this spray, I'm going to use like 3 pumps of it on each section of my hair, because my hair is thin and I don't require that much quantity of product. Just apply it enough wherever you feel you require like enough moisturization, and hold for your hair. Okay, now that I've applied this, I'm just going to again scrunch my hair enough so that the product gets absorbed nicely into my moisturized and hydrated hair. So now I have applied enough gel and the leave-in spray, the Giovanni leave-in spray, and I'm just going to air dry my hair now, and show you the results after it's done. That's how my hair looks after I put the Giovanni gel and the leave-in spray. So now I'll be talking about the leave-in spray, and I'll again spell out the entire product name here. It is the Vita Pro Fusion Protective Moisture Leave-in Hair Treatment. And this particular hair treatment is for all types. Now, what does this particular leave-in spray do? So here they are saying that this particular product is packed with a lot of proteins and vitamins, because that's what your hair requires. Again, this is a very salon based product. If you know that when you go to a salon and you try to style your hair, after they have used a particular gel to style your hair, they always put in a spray so that your hair remains in that particular shape and it does not move. But both of these products are in the non-harmful chemical zone. So even though they are salon based and they are used to style your hair, and this particular spray is used so that you can after you have applied your gel, you can put on this spray so that your hair remains in a proper good shape, and if there is any damage from any kind of styling product, it completely eliminates that factor out. So this is that kind of a hair spray. Giovanni hair spray has ingredients very similar to that of the styling gel, because they are from the same brand. So almost the ingredients are pretty similar. 1-2 ingredients must be different depending upon that is a gel and this is a particular spray. But the kind of 3 things that this particular product promises again is it conditions and moisturizes your tresses. That is again if you have frizzy hair and after you have even applied like a gel or something, your hair still starts to get frizzy. So it maintains that thing. It make sure that your hair doesn't look a bit frizzy. There's a very little frizz, if you can see, that is over here, but the rest of my curls, if you see, they are not at all frizzy and they're in that perfect shape, and it still looks as good as like I've just applied it like 5 minutes pehle. So that is the good part about it. Second is it helps shield hair from heat styling damage and split ends. So like this product says that it has got a lot of proteins and vitamins that your hair requires, like the way you consume proteins and vitamins for your body. This is the kind of it's a protein treatment or like a hair tonic for your hair, which you apply so that it gives it the right kind of moisturization and it enriches your hair with the right proteins and vitamins. And the third point is it delivers protein enriched botanicals to each strand. Like I said earlier, it rejuvenates your hair, it gives that kind of moisture. If there is any kind of damage, or if you use a lot of styling products, or if you use a lot of heating products for your hair like a curl iron or a straightener, it can help repair that kind of a damage. Now I don't do that to that much extent, but with my current condition also, I know that my hair gets pretty dry and I don't get enough time to oil it or moisturize it. So for to make up for all of this thing, this particular spray works really well. Now directions to use, they have said ki spray on clean damp hair and comb through, distribute evenly and style as desired. But I have never applied it on damp hair because I know that's not going to work for me. Now earlier I'll tell you how you need to use these products. I have used this product individually without using the gel. I have used it on my wet hair. I have distributed this particular spray evenly, and I've tried to scrunch my hair. I have not got these desired results. It's not given me this particular desired results. I have also used the gel individually, and again my results were not good because that time I did not use the spray, and like I told you, my entire hair was kadak, my curls were pretty stiff and they were not moving. So the trick here is to use both of these products in a combination, use them together to get the kind of results that I have got. Okay, that is the way to do it, and that's what I've realized. And now I know that initially I was feeling like what a waste of money, yaar, I don't think I'm going to be using these products. तो अब मैं क्या करूँ, because they are like pretty huge, right? This is almost like my 2 months worth of product that I can use for my hair. So now that I've understood my way on how to work through it, I watched a lot of videos and I understood कि इसको combination में use करना ही best है. So what you do is, you, like I told you earlier, take a little quantity of your gel, put little water on it, make sure that your hair is well conditioned before that. Don't do it on your hair which is like not shampooed and everything. You will not get great results out of it. So use this in moderation, and then once you are done, you use this depending on the thickness and volume of your hair. Make 3 sections and apply like 3 sprays or 3 pumps each for each section of your hair, and wherever you feel that it gets a bit more frizzy and you need an extra nourishment, apply it there, and then again scrunch it and leave the particular product to dry on. So guys, that's it from me. I am going to be linking both of these products, the Giovanni hair styling gel and the leave-in spray, in the description box of my video. All of the links that I mention in all my videos are affiliate links. What that means is that I am an Amazon affiliate, and this has no effect on the cost for you. These products I purchased with my own money. They are not PR. Even if they were PR, there would be no difference in my reviews unless I use a particular product and I generally have like a good review or an opinion or a feedback to share around it. I don't make a video unless I have that. So what that means is, if you do need to purchase these products, please do use my links, because the company pays me a small commission on that, and that way you can support me and my channel. I'll be able to grow and make more videos and bring more reviews for your benefit and my benefit as well. So if you do need to buy these particular products, use my links, and yeah, that's the way you can support me. Oh, that's it. So now that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button, and do leave your comments regarding this product. If you have used this product previously, or if you're intending to buy this product, or if you have bought this product and how was your experience, I would love to know all of it. So please do tell me in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, share it with your friends and family, and help my content reach people who would actually want to use these kind of products. Girls with curly hair and men with curly hair, please share this video with them. And yeah, and the most important thing is always what I say is, make that button gray, the subscribe button. Click on it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification button, because that way whenever I bring an amazing video, I mean amazing, but whenever I bring one amazing video, you will be notified immediately. And even if you don't have time to watch it, yeah, you can put it in your save for later playlist, and definitely watch it on the weekend when you do have the time, and then you can check out the other reviews and decide whether you want to buy the products or not. So yeah, please subscribe.